Yehovah Eloheinu Svaod, Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. Please fill me with the Ruach HaKodesh, that I may speak your written words with boldness to those who listen. I ask all these things in Yeshua Mashiach's name. Amen. We'll start with the Shema. Listen and obey. Children of Yehovah, pay careful attention and respond. Yehovah is our power and authority. Yehovah works in unity with himself, and you shall act upon your love to Yehovah with your power and authority, with your thoughts and mind, with your entire body, and with all the muchness that you have. Yod, Hey, Vav, Hey. Hand, behold, nail, behold. Numbers chapter 18. Yehovah said to Aaron, you, your sons, and your father's family line will be responsible for anything that goes wrong in the sanctuary. You and your sons will be responsible for anything wrong in your service as Kohanim. But you are to bring your kinsmen, the tribe of Levi, along with yourselves to work together with you and to help you, you and your sons with you, when you are there before the tent of meeting. They are to be at your disposal and perform all kinds of tasks related to the tent. Only they are not to come near the holy furnishings or the altar, so that neither they nor you will die. They will work together with you and your duties related to the tent of meeting, whatever the service in the tent may be, but an unauthorized person is not to come near you. You will take charge of all the holy things and the altar, so that there will no longer be anger against the people of Israel. I myself have taken your kinsmen, the Levites, from among the people of Israel. They have been given as a gift to Yehovah for you, so that you can perform the service in the tent of meeting. You and your sons with you will exercise your prerogatives and duties as Kohanim, in regard to everything having to do with the altar and within the curtain. I entrust the service required of the Kohanim to you. The unauthorized person who tries to perform it is to be put to death. Yehovah said to Aaron, I myself have put you in charge of the contributions given to me. Everything consecrated by the people of Israel I have given and set aside for you and your sons. This is a perpetual law. Here is what is to be yours of the especially holy things taken from the fire. Every offering they make, that is, every grain offering, sin offering, and guilt offering of theirs that they turn over to me, will be especially holy for you and your sons. You are to eat it in a specially holy place. Every male may eat it. It will be set apart for you. Also yours is the contribution of people of Israel give in the form of wave offerings. I have given these to you, your sons and your daughters with you. This is a perpetual law. Everyone in your family who is clean may eat it. All the best of the olive oil, wine, grain, the first portion of what they give to Yehovah, I have given to you. The first produce to be turned ripe of all that is in your land, is in their land, which they bring to Yehovah, is to be yours. Every clean person in your family may eat it. Everything in Israel which has been consecrated unconditionally is to be yours. Everything that comes first out of the womb of all the living things which they offer to Yehovah, whether human or animal, will be yours. However, the firstborn of a human being you must redeem, and the firstborn of an unclean beast you are to redeem. The sum is to be paid for redeeming anyone a month old or over is to be 5 shekels of silver, 2 ounces, as you value it, using the sanctuary shekel. This is the same as 20 gara. But the firstborn of an ox, sheep, or goat you are not to redeem. They are holy. You are to splash their blood against the altar and make their fat go up in smoke as an offering made by fire, as a fragrant aroma for Yehovah. Their meat will be yours, like the breast that is waved at the right thigh. They will be yours. All the contributions of the holy things which the people of Israel offer to Yehovah, I have given to you, your sons, your daughters with you. This is a perpetual law, an eternal covenant of salt before Yehovah, for you and your descendants with you. Yehovah said to Aaron, You are not to have any inheritance or portion of the land. I am your portion and inheritance among the people of Israel. To the descendants of Levi I have given the entire tenth of all of the produce collected in Israel. It is their inheritance and payment for the service they render in the tent of meeting. From now on, the people of Israel are not to approach the tent of meeting, so that they will not bear the consequences of their own sin and die. Only the Levites are to perform the service in the tent of meeting, and they will be responsible for whatever they do wrong. This is to be a permanent regulation through all your generations. They are to have no inheritance among the people of Israel, because I have given the Levites as in their inheritance the tenths of the produce which the people of Israel set aside as a gift for Yehovah. This is why I have said to them that they are to have no inheritance among the people of Israel. Yehovah said to Moshe, "Tell the Levites, when you take from the people of Israel the tenth of the produce which I have given you from them as your inheritance, you are to set aside from it a gift for Yehovah, 1/10 of the tenth. The gift you set aside will be accounted to you as if it were a grain. It were grain from the threshing floor and grape juice from the wine vat. In this way you will set aside a gift for Yehovah from all your tents that you receive from the people of Israel, and from these tents you are to give to Aaron the Kohen the gift set aside for Yehovah. From everything given to you, you are to set aside all that is due Yehovah, the best part of it, its holy portion. Therefore you are to tell them, when you set aside from it its best part, it will be accounted to the Levites as if it were a grain from the threshing floor, or grape juice from the wine vat. You may eat it anywhere, you, your household, because it is your payment and return for your service in the tent of meeting. Moreover, because you will have set apart from its best parts, you are not committing any sin because of it, for you are not to profane the holy things of the people of Israel, or you will die." How can we learn to love our Creator after reading this interesting chapter 18 of Numbers? We can listen to the written words of Yehovah. We can work in unity with each other. Do what Yehovah orders found in his written word. Serve Yehovah wholeheartedly. Give your time, talents, and tenths to Yehovah. Be holy, set apart to Yehovah. How can we love others as Yeshua loves us? We can seek unity with each other. Bear one another's burdens. We can be the glue that unites each other. Produce spiritual fruit, love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, humility, and self-control. We'll end with the Aaronic blessing using the name. Yehovah will kneel before you presenting gifts, and he will guard you with a hedge of protection. Yehovah will illuminate the wholeness of his being toward you, bringing order, and he will provide you with love, sustenance, and friendship. Yehovah will lift up the wholeness of his being and look upon you, and will set in place all you need to be whole and complete. Yavirachacha Yehovah, vayishmaricha Yair. Yehovah panav elecha, vechunicha yisa. Yehovah panav elecha, vechisem lecha shalom. May Yehovah bless you and keep you. May Yehovah make his face shine on you and show you his favor. May Yehovah lift up his face toward you and give you peace.